How to enable disappearing messages on Signal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Disappearing messages automatically delete messages from a chat after a set amount of time, helping keep your conversations more private. So in order to turn on disappearing message, go ahead and open up your Signal application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the chat page, open a group or an individual conversation where you want to enable disappearing message. Once you open it up, go to the top of the screen and tap on the contact's name or the group's name, and then look for the disappearing message tab on the next page and tap on it. Now, choose how long messages should remain before they are automatically deleted. For example, you can set it to 4 weeks, 1 day, 8 hours, 5 minutes, and so on. Select the time duration and then click on the check mark at the top right corner. You can also set the custom time by clicking the custom time option at the bottom and select the time duration manually. After clicking on the check mark, you have enabled disappearing message on your selected conversation. So that's it. Disappearing messages are now enabled, helping you keep your Signal conversations more private and automatically remove messages after the selected time. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.